Hello friends, one of you have developed one doubt regarding the primary root, secondary root and tertiary root. Though the root system detail is not sought or explained or required in your syllabus, but still to clear your doubt I would like to provide you with this video, right? So see, you wanted, your doubt was why and what is primary root. You see, this is the surface of the ground and this is stem. You see, we observe the plants above the surface and this one is a stem. This stem extends deep into the soil, right? This extended part, right? This extended part of this whole, this extended part, right? This extended part of the stem is called the primary root. Why primary root? Your question was why primary root. Answer for this is primary means that comes first, right? Actually, to make you understand, I am telling this is extension of a stem. Though the statement is not correct to the level or to the mark, because this radicle, while the seed germinates, this is the part that develops first, what we know as the radicle. Radicle develops first, right? Radicle, if this is the seed, say this is the seed, and the first part that develops is towards the geo, towards the gravity. So the first part that develops from the seed, that is recognized later on as the root, and this is called the primary root. Why primary root? Reason is it grows first. It comes into existence first, right? And from this later on, as per the need, as per the basis or principle of adaptation in the plant body, this primary root develops branches to grip the soil firmly. This primary root develops the branches, and these branches, they grow second. So which part has grown first? The primary root grown first. This has grown first, and then branching from the primary root, this branches, this grew second. This is rank of this part is second, grows second. So the name of this is secondary root. This is secondary root because this grows second, and from secondary root, further to grip the soil firmly and increase the volume to cover the large volume of soil to absorb water and mineral from the soil. These secondary roots, they develop hair-like structures from them. So what is the order of growth and development of this structure, this new structure? This is the structure that grew third, right? So this is tertiary root. This is tertiary root. Tertiary root, or this order is third. This one order is first. This order is second. So based on which came in which order, which part of the root, your question was what is primary root and why. Primary root, that is prime, that came first, that developed first. As I have shown you, this is seed, and from the seed you have this radicle. This radicle develops first. This is the first structure at the time of germination that goes towards the geo or the gravity or towards the soil. And later on, this part of the plant body is recognized as the root, right? And from the same point, once this seed penetrates into the soil and starts absorbing water and mineral, this develops the structure towards the apex, towards the sun, and this structure is plumule. So this plumule later on recognized as the shoot or stem, plant body, main body, radicle later on recognized as the root. So I think your doubt is clear. Why primary root? It is because it grows first, it comes first into existence, it is the structure that grows first after the process of, or not after during the process of germination. From this primary root, when develops the branches, that comes second, the order is second, so they are known as secondary root. And from secondary root further branching, the purpose is the principle of adaptation, that is to cover large volume of soils so as to absorb the more or required amount of water and mineral, and second thing is to hold the soil firmly so that the plant may not fall with the strong wind or due to moisture or due to humidity or due to say a lot of water in the soil. So to hold the soil firmly, this increases, the branching takes place. This is a process of and growth and adaptation in plants. Is that clear to all of you? You see, this is a kind of arrangement. Here what happens when you see the shape, when you see the shape of such a root, so this has a conical shape. Conical shape means at this place, when you see at this place it is wider. When you go deep, it is narrowing or tapering. That's why the name of this is, this kind of root arrangement is tap root system. Tap root system. And this is the basic feature of old dicotyledonous plant. You have a question about dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous. That I will come later on in another video when I will talk about the seeds. This is feature of seeds, right? So this is some examples of dicotyledonous seeds I will, or plants I will tell you. Say all the pulses, say pea plant, Cajanus cajan, that is the common Indian name arhar, or the cowpea, then beans, all pulses, they are. Mango you see dicotyledonous. So they have this kind of root system, right? And there is another kind of root system we find in some plants, that is called fibrous root system. Here you see what happens. I'll use this place. If this is the surface, here the main root or the primary root is sunken, not very well developed, right? This one is primary root. When you compare both this taproot and fibrous root system, this system is called fibrous root. Why? Here the prominent part is like fibers. Here the growth of secondary and tertiary roots are more. You see, from this primary root you have many hair-like branching. The secondary root, so much of hairs you will see, fiber-like structure. So seeing its appearance, we have named this root system as fibrous root system. This is fibrous root system, right? Fibrous, F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous root system. So what you have noticed, the primary root is sunken, very less, not sunken, stunt, not well developed. And from primary root you have the secondary root, and from this secondary roots further root hairs you will see. These secondary roots here also they develop hair-like structures. They are called as the root hairs, and these are the tertiary root. These are the tertiary root, and this grows, this is secondary root. Right? So we have, as the appearance is a bunch of hairs or fibers or thread-like structure. So seeing this appearance, we have named this as fibrous root system, and this one is tap root system. Why tap root system? Your doubt is clear. As you go deep, it tapers, it narrows, takes a cone shape. Well, here why the name of this root system is fibrous root system? Because hair-like structures or too much of fibers are present under this. So the main root or the primary root is not is stunted in growth, is not very well prominent, not prominently grown, whereas the secondary and tertiary roots are prominent. So the name of this kind of root system is fibrous root system, and this is feature of all monocotyledon, all monocots. Monocots include all paddy. Last time I have told you about the venation in the leaves. So all the plants having parallel venation, they have this fibrous root system. On all the plants that have reticulate venation will have this taproot. So seeing the leaves, you can easily identify a plant, or you can predict about a plant that a particular plant will have a taproot system or fibrous root system. If the leaf is having reticulate venation, the root system that will be present there will be the taproot system. If the leaf is having parallel venation, the kind of root system that will be present, and there will be the fibrous root system. So remember, reticulate venation, taproot system; parallel venation, fibrous root system, right? So if a banana is having parallel venation in the leaf lamina, so what kind of root system? Fibrous root system. Paddy, wheat, grasses, bamboo, all these plants will have maize is common plant these days, right? All these have fibrous root system. And say mango, then so many plants having last day I have shown you brinjal seeds, brinjal, and all the pulses pea, they have taproot system, right? That's all for your doubt. If it is further not clear, you may ask me the question. Thank you. Take care.